stayed when it would have been easier to leave. Showed up on days I barely believed. Built my dreams in the quiet hours when nobody clapped, nobody watched my power. I trusted steps I couldn't yet see. Carried faith like a necessity. Every note just sharpened my voice. Every doubt met a stronger choice. I didn't rush when needed time. I didn't quit when the road declined. I worked with hope, not fear or shame. I kept going, that's how I stayed in the game.
Now I feel it settling deep inside, a calm assurance I don't need to hide. Everything I planted patiently is rising up to meet me.
Now 2026 is my year of unexpected money and abundance. Not by chance, but by confidence. I believed when nothing was guaranteed.
Now life responds to the faith in me.
Now 26 is my year of unexpected money and abundance.
The reward of trust and persistence. I stayed aligned, I stayed true, and now the overflow final lose. I worked when results came slow, learned how to stand when momentum froze. I chose discipline over despair, even when progress felt unfair. I invested love into unseen returns. Let every lesson shape what I've earned. I didn't beg, I became prepared. So when it arrived, I was already there. I stopped asking if I was enough. Started knowing my steady work was love. What I built quietly, brick by brick, now stands strong, solid and rich. I didn't chase, I aligned my pace, I honored the process, trusted grace. Now timing meets my readiness, and everything clicks.
like 2026 is my year of unexpected money and abundance. Went through belief and consistency. What surprised me wasn't the reward, it's how perfectly it matches who I've become. Whoa, I stayed the course. Whoa, trusted the force. Whoa, I didn't run. Now abundance says well done. I spoke kindly to my future self. Even when doubt lived on the shelf, I learned patience isn't delay, it's power growing the right way. I respected money, time and trust. Didn't rush, I learned to adjust. I became someone who could receive before I ever saw proof to believe. I built value before demand, kept my word, strengthened my stand. So when opportunity knocked my door, it knew exactly who it came for.
I didn't hope blindly, I prepared. I healed my thinking, I stayed aware. Now abundance feels natural and right, because I grew into this life.
Why 26 is my year of expected money and abundance. Not sudden, but deeply earned. Every lesson finally pays me back. Every step returned with interest times.
If I could speak to who I was before, working silently, unsure, I'd say you're closer than you know. Just keep walking, steady, slow.
Nothing you gave was ever lost. Every effort counted the cost. This isn't luck, it's the result of believing in yourself by default.
I trusted, I stayed, I worked, I believed. The outcome of earned confidence without